Changing the language in the Hopper app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access the menu. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a list of options related to your account and app settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll through the menu options and select Settings. This section contains various preferences for your app experience, including language options. Step 4. Select Language. In the Settings menu, look for the Language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages that you can choose from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Select your desired language from the list. The app will automatically update to reflect your choice, and you may need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. Now you can enjoy using the Hopper app in your preferred language. If you have any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support for assistance.